Hi, I'm going to be teaching you equations today. Before I get into this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. One-step equations. So here we want to isolate the variable and we want to get x by itself. So the only thing that we have to do is get rid of this 4. So in order to do that, since this 4 is positive, you need to subtract 4 from both sides. Because if you do something to the other side, you have to do it to the other side too, because you need to keep the equation balanced. So if you subtract 4 here, then it cancels out and becomes 0. If you subtract 4 here, then it would be 18. So x equals 18. For question 2, you need to do the same thing, and you need to subtract 3 in order to get rid of the 3 and make the variable be by itself. So do it to both sides. 24 equals z. So that's your answer. Okay, for question 3, you need to subtract 6 to get the y by itself. So y is the variable, and we need to figure out what y is. So you have to do it to both sides. So y equals 37, since 43 minus 6 is 37. That's your answer. Okay, so now we need to do x minus 7 equals 63. So you're asking, what minus 7 equals 63? So it would be adding 7, since the inverse of subtraction is adding, is addition. So that works because if you add 7, then it becomes 0, because over here, this number line, negative 7 add 7. So going to the right side makes it 7. It makes it, if you go this way, then it means that you're like increasing number, but if you go this way, then it means that you're decreasing number. So I'm going to go this way because we're adding 7. So it means we're going to increase the number. So if I add 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then you get to 0. So that just cancels out, and 0 is nothing. So you can just take it away. So if you add 7, both sides, because we want to keep our equation balanced, so add 7, this cancels out, and then x equals 70, since 63 plus 7 is 70. Okay, question 2. 23 equals y minus 4. So what minus 4 equals 23? So you have to add 4 to cancel out this 4 and get the y by itself. So 23 plus 4 equals 27. So y equals 27. That's the answer. Okay, for question 3, we're going to do the same thing as these two questions. So we need to add 14 to both sides, and that becomes 36 equals z. So that's the answer for that. Let's move on to the next slide. So what we have here is 4x equals 28. So that's multiplication. So 4 times x equals 28. So it's asking, what times 4 equals 28? So in order to get the x by itself, which is what we want to do, because we want to figure out x. So in order to do that, you need to get rid of this 4 right here. So in order to get rid of the 4, since it's multiplying, and inverse of multiplying is dividing, then you need to divide 4 on both sides, like that. So this cancels out and becomes 1, and 1x is just x. So x equals, and then 28 divided by 4 is 7. So x equals 7. Okay, question 2. So it's asking, what times 7 equals 56? To find y, we need to take out the 7. To do that, divide 7 both sides, This is 8 and this equals y. So this cancels out. And so yeah, so then the answer is y equals 8. Okay, question 3, we're going to do the same thing with a bit bigger numbers. So divide 12 on both sides, and 12z over 12 is just z because 12 cancel out and becomes 1z, and 1z is just z. So z equals 108 divided by 12. And 108 divided by 12 is 9. Z equals 9. Okay, so for this question, it's saying something over 12 is equal to 4. So what number divided by 12 equals 4? So to find that, since x over 12, like this is division, so we would have to do its inverse, which is multiplication. So we need to get rid of this 12 right here in order to get x all by itself. So to get rid of the 12, you need to multiply 12 so that you're basically saying right here you're saying 12x over 12. This is what you're saying over here. So then these just cancel out and becomes 1x, because 12 divided by 12 is just 1, and 1x is just x. So right here you cancel those out, and then x equals, and you still have this 4 over here, and you need to multiply 12 on both sides. So 4 times 12 is 48. So x equals 48. Okay, for the second question, we need to do what number divided by 8 equals 7? So in order to do that, you need to multiply 8 on both sides to get this denominator out of the way and just make it y. So do on both sides. That's 56 equals, these cancel out, and becomes y. Y equals 56. That's the answer. So for question 3, it's 9 equals z divided by 9. So what number divided by 9 equals 9? So in order to find out that, you have to multiply 9 on both sides to get rid of this denominator. 9 times 9 is 81. And then 9, z over 9 times 9 is just z because the 9's cancel out. So 81 equals z. That's the answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.